Awesome Kids TV. Today we're going to Gummy. I think it comes with a squeezer and a gummy mold. And they use this gummy mold to make those gummies. And this gummy molds have pictures just like this. It's just like those gummies. We're gonna warm up the jellies. I'm just starting it. Stirring.
Have you opened fire?
I see the fire.
Some sugar.
Oh, make it sweeter. Yes.
Now we are just pouring some gummy juice. Now we have juice and food coloring.
So let's mix the first one.
Wow, purple color. Beautiful.
Wow.
And we can add.
This really looks like orange juice.
It's orange juice. It's not look like.
Can I mix it?
Yeah, but we need spoon.
Can you help us?
So bring spoon.
Yeah.
Yes, I mix it.
Thank you. Spicy ba. And also we got a
I'm coming.
blue color.
Yep. And we're gonna mix it together.
Oh yeah.
Red color. Beautiful.
We can add some yellow. Maybe it will be more.
Beautiful.
Oh, you mixed it two color. Oh my god. It's a very weird color right now.
Now we know if you mix yellow and blue, it will be green. So if you want to make it green, I can bring another color.
It's like green.
Yeah.
Light green, right?
How about we put a little bit like green?
Oh no. Troublemaker.
Turning the color. I got the trouble.
Oh no! I want a true yellow color, okay?
Yes. Don't add the yellow now.
Yellow Russian is shuti.
Желтый.
Jodi.
Let me mix it.
Sini is blue.
Синий.
Sini.
Mix.
And the Zioni is green color. And the purple is Fioletowy. Oh my god.
Troublemaker.
Troublemaker. You are the troublemaker.
Okay, you know how to make violet. We mix
Red.
красный
Lasny.
и
Sini.
Hey, earlier I just put singing in this cup. I just put a little bit. Huh? Wow!
Wow.
very dark because sini is very dark.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
And
it look it's like a vine.
that's a torch for the cup. Keep falling out.
Okay, we can put several colors in one gummy bear.
Wow. Looking good. Quite
The
nice.
water is looking good.
Yeah, it's blue, like a sea.
Wow, we got a snake model.
I wanted to put two colors in the snakes.
I think it will mess it.
What?
What?
Now here he is.
So what we gonna do now?
Put in the fridge.
Oh, be careful. Who's the troublemaker?
I'll do that. Now we are finished with the gummy.
Oh, let's see.
Let's see.
Is this a sex? I don't know.
I'll just squeeze it out.
All right.
I'll just squeeze it out.
Yeah.
Hey, I squeezed out food. Oh, it just freezes up.
Okay.
And then first touch it.
All right. Oh
This
my
squishy.
God. Squishy.
This squishy. This squishy. This squishy.
Maybe we'll have to put it back to the fridge, right? Yeah. How about the other one then?
Just. What is first?
Try one. Are your challenge success? You fail. How's taste like? Is that good? Good. Hey, where are you going?
To the bathroom.
Tastes good?
Yep.
Can you show your mouth?
It just tastes like water.
Oh my God. I think you put too much water or
Too much food calorie.
too much fruit calorie? No, I think maybe
Yeah! It's not that.
I got an idea, Finn. I got an idea. I got one idea, Finn. Okay, just put it away.
Okay.
Da 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 da! Well done, Finn! Yay! Well done. Okay, this is the final candy. Okay, we success! Challenge success! Gummy!
Some of the gummy would put on over here.
Okay, alright.
We just put it right here.
Alright.